Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable Vibrate for uploads and downloads notifications on Google Drive. If you've ever uploaded or downloaded a file and missed the notification, turning on vibration is a quick way to make sure you don't overlook those important alerts. Let's get started step by step. First, open your phone and go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage apps and notifications. Scroll down a little until you see Apps. Tap on it to bring up the full list of applications installed on your device. Next, look for Google Drive. Since all of your cloud files are managed here, this is the app we'll be adjusting. Tap on Google Drive, and then in the App Info menu, select Notifications. This is where you can choose how you're alerted whenever Drive has activity, like uploads or downloads. Once you're on the Notifications page, tap on Notification Categories. Here, the different types of alerts are listed out, and you can control them individually. This makes it easy to customize which alerts should grab your attention more strongly. Now, find the option labeled Uploads and Downloads. Tap on it, and you'll see a set of preferences specifically for those actions. Look for the Vibrate option and simply toggle it on. With this setting enabled, every time you upload or download a file to Google Drive, your phone will give you a vibration alert along with the standard notification. And that's it. You've just enabled vibration for uploads and downloads notifications in Google Drive. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you often multitask and need that extra nudge to confirm your files are moving as expected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to check your other notification categories as well. You might want to customize vibrations and alerts for other actions in Google Drive too, depending on what matters most to you. Now you'll never miss an important file upload or download again. Thanks for watching.